Hello, hello. Mic test.
Hello, mic test 1 2 3.
It's working.
Yeah.
So, hey everyone, welcome to our new podcast powered by tech with Monojoy and Shardul. How are you, Shardul?
I am fine, Monojoy. In this podcast, we'll be talking about technological updates, the technological world, and the updates of artificial intelligence.
Of course, and that sounds really interesting. So, why do you want to talk about tech?
Monojoy, tech is my favorite subject. I love everything about tech. What about you?
Absolutely. It is just so interesting, and you can always learn something new about it. And it's really exciting to talk about tech.
Yeah, that's the best part about tech.
And recently, have you heard about ChatGPT?
Yeah, ChatGPT is the most hot topic on the social media these days.
Yes, and that is actually very exciting. I really like the way ChatGPT is so powerful and so creative. Like people used to think that AI tools cannot be creative, and now they are just so capable.
Yeah, they are in front of our eyes doing anything we ask them, they answer us in the most creative ways. ChatGPT is an AI language model produced by OpenAI.
Oh yeah.
There's also another software by OpenAI called the DAL-E.
Oh, please tell us about that.
Yeah, it can generate creative and most beautiful images by our text prompts.
That is so interesting. Now you don't have to go to stock image apps to just search for
Yeah,
images.
they give us watermarks that I hate the most.
Oh, do you have to pay for those?
No, what DAL-E?
Yeah,
No, it's completely free, just like ChatGPT.
that is so interesting.
Yeah.
Well, do you think ChatGPT will be free forever?
It's in the development phase right now, and I think it will be few for the next 1 or 2 years, and then it may get paid for some of its part.
Yeah, that is right. And also, the Bing AI is based on ChatGPT.
Yeah, Microsoft recently bought OpenAI stake in ChatGPT, and hence it has Bing has ChatGPT integrated into it.
That is very interesting. And AI is just so exciting,
Yeah.
and the power and the capabilities, they are just so helpful for everyone, and we can get a lot of stuff done
Yeah,
these days.
and AI is also frightening at sometimes.
Yeah, a lot of people are like anti-AI people who are like,
Yeah.
it's going to take all our jobs and everyone will be destroyed.
Yeah, but I don't think so. It can also create a way more jobs than the jobs it will destroy.
Yeah, absolutely. And also, those kind of destruction only happen in sci-fi movies.
Yeah, and OpenAI has also made it clear that ChatGPT is not for taking their jobs, people's jobs, but for helping them through their job.
Of course. And it's already helping content creators with scripting. It helped us name our podcast, and
Yeah.
we've also used it for scripting. And we recently went for a robotics championship, and we also
Yeah.
took help of ChatGPT with our code.
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
We recently went to IIT Hyderabad for the robotics championship, and unfortunately we didn't reach the final round
Yeah.
because of 1 or 2 marks.
Yeah, we lost by 1 point,
Yeah.
but it's fine.
Yeah, it's
Anyway.
fine. We enjoyed a lot there. We learned a lot of things.
Yeah, and we actually took help from ChatGPT with the code of it, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Yes, and it also helped us name our robot.
Yeah,
That is interesting.
yeah.
And are you interested in development?
Yeah, a lot. I like UI and UX design, and I'm also into web development and Android development.
Same
recently.
here. I made an episode before about UI UX design. It's just very interesting.
Yeah, I heard that episode.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you.
Yeah.
And it just feels so good to have a co-host on the podcast.
Thank you, Manujoy. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys.
Yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we hope you enjoyed this episode.
Yeah.
And there are going to be more episodes coming up in the future. And thank you very much for listening. And if you enjoy the show, please rate us 5 stars on Spotify. It really helps the podcast grow.
Yeah. Do wait for the upcoming podcast and listen to them. I think we'll be posting one every week or so.
Yeah, we should try to post like every week or so.
Yeah,
Let's see
guys,
what
we'll
it
try
goes.
to be consistent
Yeah, we
so
should
that,
be.
yeah, you also get a weekly dose of technological updates.
Yes, of course. And if you have any suggestions, please let us know what we should talk about. Maybe we can talk about the new tech products, maybe development or AI, which is just always changing. Basically, technology is always changing. Or you want to talk about the products?
Yeah, do let us know on our email.
Yeah, or you can send us a voice note.
Yeah, and that's it for this episode.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much for listening. Have a nice day.